That's honestly all I can say. My name is Zafar Ronan. I'm part of Tabor Shahid Kabar. I've come out here to Rojava originally to help support the Kurdish people, and this is still my intent to do so. The reason why we are going to Afrin in order to fight against the forces there and save the people is because right now the rest of the world is turning a blind eye to what's really happening. I haven't done too many things right in my life, but I can honestly say this is probably one of the few things that I have absolutely no doubts about. I wouldn't consider myself a good man, I'm just trying to do something I would consider a good action. Going out there to defend these people from what's happening, I believe is justified with proper cause. They're defending themselves, they're not invading, they're not going over to try to take other lands, they're simply trying to preserve their way of life. And because their way of life conflicts with somebody else's, they want to eliminate them. Whether it's Daesh or another proxy that's an extension of Turkey, I will be there to help defend these people from these forces. And I honestly hope when time goes by that my daughter will understand if I don't make it out of here. Her father at least did one thing right in his life. And that's honestly all I can say.